Welcome to my How to Play series for the skirmish battle game WarCrow by Corvus Belli. In this video we'll be covering the basics of how movement works and using the different templates to help move models, charge models, and move a unit that has multiple models in it. The move action is one of many choices to make when activating a unit, and is going to be the most common ability you use, as any other simple action can only be paired with a move action. To perform the move action, we have to look at the model's unit card. Here we can see that the Hetman's move value is 2, 3, and 8. A regular move uses the first two numbers that are split by a hyphen. These represent the lengths on the movement template. Each unit of these is called a stride. To move the model, place the short template touching the front of the model's base, and then place the model so the back of the base is touching the end of the template. Then do the same for the second move value. Each of these movements are measured in a straight line, and it is worth noting that the model does not have to fulfill the full movement and may end its movement anywhere along the length of the template. If the two move values are different, such as in the example of the Hetman here, the order of their use can be switched and is not fixed. This is helpful when moving around terrain. To get around this wall, it is best to use the move value 3, then 2 to help cover the most ground. The other way would impede the model's ability to cover this ground. If a unit is made up of multiple units, such as this group of bucklermen, then one model is assigned as the leader for the game and all measurements are made from them. Perform the move as you would with a single model for the leader, and then all other models in the unit can be placed anywhere around the model within formation. Formation has all models within 2 strides of the unit's leader. Units have 2 other movement abilities that revolve around combat. These are Assault and Charge. An assault is a long action that combines a move and attack. The unit's leader must be able to get into base-to-base combat with the enemy unit to perform this action. The advantage of this attack is a unit can engage an enemy from a position that does not have line of sight. As long as they can reach their target, they can engage them. A charge works similarly to assault, but uses the move value in parentheses. For the Hetman, this is 8 strides. The attack works similarly to the assault. However, line of sight is required as it is one long template move. The 2 advantages of the charge is that it gives the attacking unit a greater distance to engage the enemy from, but also allows the unit to make one reroll of all their attack dice. And that's how the basics of movement work in WarCrow. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. Please subscribe if you would like future content, and leave a comment about what videos you would like to see in the future regarding WarCrow and its rules. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.